Hi everybody, welcome back! In the previous videos I showed you how to make this bedroom. Today I'm going to start a living room. First I start assembling these pieces of furniture. Do you want to know how to make different types of wallpaper and floors? Then take a look at these videos. I will put them below in the description. I first have to find all the right parts. If you do not have this set, you can also look at my other videos. For example, I show you how to make a bench from popsicle sticks or a desk from matchboxes. Before I put all the furniture in the room, I make a window with curtains. In this video you can see exactly how I do that. Now it's time to decorate the room. I have already painted all the furniture. First a closet, then a couch, a chair and a little table. I still find the floor a bit boring, so I'm going to lay a rug on it. I do that from an old piece of fabric. Choose a nice color and cut off a square, rectangle or any other shape you like. So, now I put a few bookshelves on the wall. Look, the basics are finished now, but the room is not very cozy. Next week we will change that. Thank you for watching and I see you next week. Bye bye! Don't forget to subscribe.